Hello viewers, Excel in English by Madhuri. I tried making a different video today. I hope you will like it. See these pictures and quickly remember the inventors. And మీరు ఎన్ని కరెక్ట్గా చెప్పారో లెక్క పెట్టుకోండి. మీ స్కోర్ ఎంతో చూద్దాం. I am displaying 10 products here. I have displayed 10 products on the whole and tell me your score now. ఎంతమంది ఇన్వెంటర్స్ పేర్లు మీకు గుర్తున్నాయి? Well, we'll revise. Computer is invented by Charles Babbage. Second one, telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. Third, television is invented by J.L. Baird. Fourth, picture electric bulb was invented by Thomas Alva Edison. And fifth one is radio. Radio was invented by Guglielmo Marconi. And sixth one is aeroplane. Aeroplane was invented by Wright brothers, Wilbur Wright or Will Wright. Seventh one, thermometer. Thermometer was invented by Galileo Galilei. Eighth one, the cycle is invented by Carl von Drais. Ninth one is mobile phone, the one which we are using like anything nowadays, was invented by Martin Cooper. And the 10th one is ceiling fan. It was invented by Philip Deal. చిన్నప్పుడు మనం ఎంతో హుషారుగా ఉత్సాహంగా నేర్చుకున్న ఇన్వెంటర్స్ నేమ్స్ ఇవి. ఇందులో ఒక 5 అయినా కరెక్ట్గా చెప్పుంటారని నేను అనుకుంటున్నాను. కంపల్సరీ 5 అయితే మనకు గుర్తుంటాయి. సో ఇవి మీరు మీ స్టూడెంట్స్కి కానీ మీ పిల్లలకి కానీ ఫార్వర్డ్ చేయండి. We'll try to make this kind of videos once in a while. If you have any suggestions, please give us and share this video to your friends, relatives so that they will learn or they will recap what all they have learned. Meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you so much for watching.